As the nation celebrated Christmas last week, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness gave a few important reminders that are relevant even beyond the season.
The message of giving thanks for what you have, counting your blessings, no matter how small they are, for as difficult as we think our personal struggles have been, there were situations. And look, our lives have been spared. We must put ourselves in a positive mindset to receive the blessings and the good happening around us. Don't blind ourselves with negativity.
Another important area that was highlighted in his message was reigniting the spirit of togetherness and family bond.
The message of family, spending time with loved ones, is important. In today's high-paced, virtualized, and individualistic world, simple familial and social contact is oftentimes overlooked and undervalued. Look for mama. Reach out to the family and friends that you have overseas. And as you do this, be prepared to forgive and unburden yourself of the baggage of old grievances and vexations. It will do your mental health a world of good.
Prime Minister Holness urged persons to embrace the values that bind us together as a nation: faith, family, and unity.
Let us cherish the simple joys of life. Let us renew our commitment to each other and to Jamaica.
And as 2024 comes to an end, he had this to say.
As the year draws to a close, reflection is natural, but the outcome depends on your frame of mind. Will the outcome of reflection depress you, or will it motivate you? If you adopt the right frame of mind, you will be on a solid track to face the new year. The message of Christ's birth is a solid spiritual framework to adopt, to help you to make conclusions and resolutions from your reflections.
Just before Christmas, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness held his highly anticipated treat for seniors and the homeless. The annual event was held at Jamaica House.
I brought you all here today to deliver this message to you, to break bread with you, to give some gifts, because as I said, it's about giving. But more importantly, it is to show that the government cares about it.
Children in state care were not left out of the celebration.
So we have just concluded our yearly treat. This year was larger than normal. We did about 250 of our senior citizens from various Golden Age homes across Kingston and St. Andrew and as far as St. Catherine. And from my constituency, we treated close to 350 seniors, and they really look forward to it. And then today, we treated 300 of our youngsters who are in state care. Many of them have big dreams and very ambitious, and it is clear that they are very aspirational. And I also wanted to recognize the caregivers. They give a lot of time, they make a lot of effort, and in the brief interviews I had with them, it was clear that they love their job, they love the children, and they're giving of their best. And we will match that with giving them more support. So all in all, it was a good day, and I must give my commendations to the team at OPM and Jamaica House for organizing these events. They went on very well.
And with that, we bring the curtains down on Jamaica House Weekly for 2024. Be sure to join us next time for more of the news stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.